if y'all have been a fan since my 2016 bike check, shout out to you. You guys are the OGs. But we're not doing this bike. We're doing my new bike. 2020 bike check. First, we're gonna start off with the frame. Not the frame, the bars. So it's pretty nice. They're shadow bars. I got grips for it. Vans Colt grips. I have the box somewhere. Not sponsored by Vans though. The other side, same thing. Bar ends. We're gonna start out with you. We're gonna do something with you, little baby. And we have my Ransom frame. Whatever the Ransom stem. We have my Ransom stem. And don't comment it. I know this bolt is stripped. You can see it, it's stripped, and I can feel it. And we're gonna start off with, now we're gonna go to the forks. Pretty easy forks. Chrome nice painted forks. And other side, same thing. Sprockets now. So here we have the sprocket, nice well sprocket. Same thing on both sides. The chain, I have splatter painted. It's splatter painted, and I'm not gonna move back the chain because this is free coaster, and I do not want to have to deal with that tomorrow. I got stickers. Shout out to the brand that made this. Hold on, let me show you guys the brand that made this. That shout out is a good bike. Then, you know, my old Sunday, if you guys been watching for that long. And that's all. No. We got the pegs. Oh yeah, the pedals. Can't forget those. We got that red fire grenade. And then the frame. We got a black frame going. It's 20-inch and got a nice seat too. I don't know what that M stands for, brand that is, but shout out to that brand too. Shout out to that brand. I'm making sure I shout out everything, and also shout out to Ransom for this frame. That concludes the bike check of 2020, and there's not really much to say. So far, it's a good bike. I had it for, I think, like a few months, and that's all I needed. That bike is nice. Have a good one, guys. Burying out.